Hi, I'm Charnel from Dilawri Group of Companies, and today we're exploring the 2019 Mazda CX-3. The CX-3 is a subcompact crossover SUV that's being offered with 3 different trim levels in Canada: the GX, the GS, and the GT. Today we have the fully loaded GT. The CX-3 has gone through a mid-cycle refresh, and some of the biggest changes that Mazda has made is to the engine as well as the interior. Keep watching for our overview, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe for more videos from Canada's largest automotive group. The CX-3 has Mazda's SKYACTIV 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. A manual transmission is available on the GX trim only. Mazda has made some upgrades to this engine to reduce internal friction, and what that translates to is a 6.2% increase in low-end torque and reduced fuel consumption. This engine can make 148 horsepower and 146 pound-feet of torque. i-ACTIV all-wheel drive is standard on the GT trim, but if you opt for the GX or the GS trims, front-wheel drive does become an option. For fuel economy, the CX-3 gets 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers city and 7.4 highway. This CX-3 is in Snowflake White Pearl. It is beautifully designed. What Mazda's done is actually not added more lines and creases to give us a sporty look, but they've actually gone for a less is more design. They've used light to play off the flowing design to give this car a very sleek and elegant look. The GT comes standard with 18-inch alloy wheels with 3 different options. These are the dark hyper silver rims. In the rear, the CX-3 GT has 408 liters of cargo space behind the second row of seats. The GX and the GS has 452, and 1,484 liters with the rear seats folded. Before we jump inside to explore the interior, the CX-3 does have a few other additional features to note. It has keyless entry and remote start. On the inside is the suede door trim and dash with the black leather trimmed upholstery. White leather is available with certain exterior paint options. The seats up here were actually designed to be wider and with high-density vibration-absorbing foam for a more supportive and comfortable ride. Adding to that comfort is the heated front seats, and the driver's seat is power adjustable with lumbar support. One of the biggest changes I mentioned is the interior of the 2019 CX-3. Mazda introduced an electronic parking brake instead of a mechanical one, which freed up a lot of room for the center console and the armrest. The CX-3 does have a heated steering wheel, which also has paddle shifters for manual shift mode. This also has a head-up display and a 7-inch infotainment system with navigation, which pairs with the Bose premium audio system on the GT trim. The CX-3 seats 5, but because it's not as spacious as some of the larger Mazda SUVs, if you're planning to have adults back here for a lengthier trip or you need the extra room, you may want to consider the CX-5 or the CX-9. When it comes to safety and driver convenience features, the CX-3 is well equipped. The 2018 model was actually chosen as a top safety pick by the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety. But in addition to that, the GT trim also has traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a wide-angle rearview camera. The i-ACTIV Sense package includes a whole suite of safety features like cruise control stop and go, pedestrian detection, lane departure warning, and more. On the road, G-vectoring control improves responsiveness and stability. The key benefit of GVC is how the vehicle handles corners. It is also designed to reduce the amount of steering wheel corrections required by the driver, resulting in reduced driver fatigue. The CX-3 has been the recipient of many awards, and it's no surprise because this car has great features that make it the perfect option for someone who's looking for a car with a higher seating position, a little bit more space, and at the end of the day, a great driving vehicle. Learn more about it and take it for a test drive at your nearest Dilawri dealership. Start your journey at dilawri.ca.